Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find x sum of all k-long Subarrays 1, which is an easy level problem, but I don't think it should be easy. It should be like a medium level problem. If it is easy, like if you understand the problem, uh, but even if you are going through all the brute force approach, still you need some another map, hierarchy queue to sort this all. So the problem says like will be given an array and k and x. Okay, so you have to find x sum of an array, and to find x sum, for example, if x equal to 2, so okay, if I copy this one, then it will be easier to understand. So all we have to do, like if k is equal to 6, means the Subarray's length will be 6. Okay, so our first Subarray's length will be first 6. Okay, among these 6, you have to find top x top x numbers of maximum frequency. That's it. So here, if you write 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, here if you have a look, 1 and 2 have 2 frequency. Okay, and 3 have 1 frequency and 4 have 1 frequency. So in that case, 1 and 2 have maximum frequency, right? Now as x equal to 2, we will take only two numbers, which will be 1 and 2. Like if is equal to 3, then we have to take three numbers. In that case, we will be taking 1, 2, and 4, because 4 is the largest one. Here, if that array has less than x distinct element, its x sum is the sum of this array. Okay, this is the length. So that's the case. Now, as x equal to 2, we will be taking only 1 and 2. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the sum of the frequency array. So how many times 1 is there? 2 times. So 1, 2. How many times 2 is there? 2 times 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, 4 and 2, 6. So our first number will be 6. Right. Now, if you come on second number, so we have taken like first k index. Now we'll be starting from here and then here. So our number will be 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Now if you have a look, 2 have 2 have frequency of 3. 1, 3, and 4 have only 1, right? But we need at least two numbers. Now among them, 4 is the maximum one. So we have 2 3 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6 and 4, 10. If you have a look, our second number will be 10, right? And then the next number, it will be the same. We'll start here and we'll end here. 2 2 2 2 3 4 2 3 2 3 times and 3 2 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 2 times. So here 3 have 2 times, so 3 have maximum frequency, we will take 3. And 6 and 6, 12. Okay, so here it should be 12. And after that will be end of our current array. That's it. So now how can you solve this? To solve this, like it's pretty much simple if you understand this one. So all you have to do, so what you can do, you'll run loop from here, right? And you'll go till first 6, okay, till here. What you will be doing, you will be taking a frequency array. frequency array, and each and every time you'll be keep counting the frequency. So one will be 2, and 2 will be 2, then 3 one time, 4 one time. So we got our frequency, right? Then we will push them on queue. It shouldn't be the normal queue, it should be the priority queue. So what we can say, priority queue, if we keep pushing them, this one will come first, 2, 2, and then 1, 2 will come second, 1, 2. So what we'll be doing, mm, we'll, we'll keep the frequency at the beginning. So it will be like 2, 1, so that it will be auto sorted on mm, my priority queue. So the frequency will put in the beginning. Now if we pushed it, 2, 1 will come first. 2, 2 will come first, not 2, 1. 2, 2 will come first. Then 2, 1 will come second, as 2 is bigger than 1. Then 1, 4 will come third. Then 1, 3 will come here. Okay, so we got our frequency priority queue. Then we'll run a loop till x times. Okay, so if we run loop x times, and if we keep popping the numbers, we can pop first 2, and what we can do, we can say 2 have 2 times, so instead of 2 plus 2, we can say 2 multiplies plus 2, plus 1 have 2 times, 2 into 1. That's it. Then 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. That's it. Like this, we can keep solving the problem, and we'll keep keep updating the j and keep updating the I. So here we are using sliding window. So it's kind of mixture of sliding window, unordered map, or the vector frequency array, and priority queue. So if I start solving this question, first of all, I'll be taking and n equal to nums dot size. Okay, then I'll be saying nums dot size I got. Then I can say my I will be 0. I'll be start for and z is equal to a minus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Keep updating the I. Here, at first, what I'm gonna do, I need frequency. So for frequency, I'll be saying for int index. I'll start from my I, index equal to I, index less than or equal to j, index plus plus. Then I need a frequency. I need anything for frequency. So here you can use unordered map, or we can use vector. So if you have a look at the constant, the length will be maximum 50, right? So in that case, we can take a vector. Vector I'll be saying frequency 51 and it will be 0. Okay. Now here I can say frequency of nums of I plus plus. That's it. And we need one priority queue. Clear priority queue. And we need pair because I'll be keep adding the frequency and number. So priority queue. Yeah. Once we get the frequency, we can say again for int index 0 index less than 51 index plus plus. I can say if frequency of index is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 means that number has frequency. eq dot push some keyword to push and my frequency will become first, then I'll be putting the number which is index. Okay, that's it, we got it. Now what we have to do, we have to run for all frequency, yeah, and we have to go x times, right? So again I'll be running another loop for anti index equal to 0 index, instead of index I can say I already taken, right? So count is equal to 0, count less than x, count plus plus. So for each count, I'll be saying auto frequent FRQ and num is equal to hybrid. PQ dot drop. Then at the same time, I'll be popping it PQ dot pop. So I got my frequency, I got my number, and I'll be keep adding with my response. So I can say int and the sum is equal to 0, and I'll be keep adding with the sum plus equal to frequency into number. That's it. And I need a vector array here. Vector int response. And I'll be response dot push back my sum. And I hope there should be everything. Oh, I need to return this one. Return response, and what is it? Frequent and okay, FRQ. It should be FRQ, right? Twelve, 25, is it? Did I do anything wrong? It should be this. Now one I can start. Okay. What if what if the tricky this can work plus equal to frequently into array response dot pushbacks then yeah. What is the and priority queue that size priority queue if priority queue has size then go for this one. So it's the number of index not high. Yeah, here I was doing wrong. Instead of index, I was writing I. And if I do submit this one, it is accepted, guys. Thank you so much.